Introducing Rion's new octave and third octave real-time analysis program. By installing the octave and third octave real-time analysis program on the sound level meter, octave and third octave band analysis functions are added. In addition to measuring overall sound pressure levels, it is possible to measure octave and third octave bands and partial overall sound pressure level in a user-specified frequency range. Results can be displayed as a graph, a numeric list, or a level versus time plot. The program supports calculation and continuous storing of analysis results. It is possible to display the NC, NR, or CZ curves and values, which may be required for indoor noise evaluation. Stored analysis results can be recalled and overlaid with the current live measurement data. By setting the sub-band, it is possible to measure both fast and slow time waiting characteristics simultaneously. Head to Rion's website for more details.